The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeastern New York until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in the warned area. In addition, emergency management and off-duty National Weather Service meteorologists reported strong winds over 60 miles per hour in 4 miles of the warned area. See high flow now. If you wait to see or hear flash flooding, it's late to get in high place. High winds in this storm will cause flying debris. Take flash flood precautions.